People tend not to focus on what their cells are doing from day to day, but they're really in a constant struggle against oxidative stress. These reactive oxygen species are interacting with our cell machinery, causing damage. What's needed are antioxidants, things that can go in and basically clean up that mess. What's also needed is fuel for the cell to use those antioxidants. So you need the sponge and the worker to clean up the mess, right? And that's what IV therapy delivers in a more direct, immediate way. When we give people a glutathione IV, it's right into the blood and it goes right into the cells. It's only in the body for like 20 minutes. Like there's a 14-minute half-life. I think the longest time it's in the body is like 3 hours, but it gets used up that fast. And that helps to basically take a chunk off of your oxidative stress load. NAD, for example, is a great way to provide cellular energy to do all its functions. And if you do that with glutathione on top of that, then you get the antioxidants and the cellular fuel. The only thing missing from that is enough oxygen. So the best thing you can do after you get IV is go exercise.